Hey everyone, my name is Laradella Syafyna Prameswari Prabowo from Hotel and Tourism Management IULI 2018, and I'm the creator of Luna Tour and senior guide from Luna Tour Indonesia. I will be guiding you to our Indonesian package to Yogyakarta, Bali, and Papua. Please do enjoy the video. Thank you. Yogyakarta, often called Jogja, is a city on the Indonesian island of Java known for its traditional arts and cultural heritage. We start the trip for Yogyakarta City Tour. Visit Sultan Royal Palace. Its ornate 18th century royal complex or kraton encompasses the still inhabited Sultan's Palace. Also, within the kraton are numerous open-air pavilions that host classical Javanese dance shows and concerts of gamelan music, characterized by gongs, chimes, and plucked string instruments. Next, we're going to Batik Home Industry and Silverware at Kota Gede. History of a batik in Yogyakarta are very closely related with the development of the Majapahit Kingdom and the spread of Islam in Java. Batik expansion much done in times of ancient Mataram Kingdom, then Islamic Mataram Kingdom in Solo and Yogyakarta. Then visit the beautiful Hindu temple Prambanan. Prambanan Temple is one of the most beautiful Hindu temples of Indonesia, with such great sculptures all over the building. The local peoples also called the temple as the Roro Jonggrang, the temple of the slender virgin. According to the local belief, the temple was a beautiful virgin who was cursed after ignoring her promises. At 6 a.m. start the tour. Today we discover of history of Borobudur Temple, the most famous of Indonesia's temple. This huge Buddhist pyramid is the Buddhism's largest shrine in Indonesia, built in the 9th century, located northwest of Yogyakarta. Borobudur was completed in the second half of the 9th century. Borobudur was unknown and neglected for almost 1,000 years, covered under thick layers of volcanic ash. From afar, Borobudur looks like a huge but ordinary stone construction, but from nearby we can see that it consists of hundreds of wonderful detailed statues and sculptures, representing Buddhist teaching mixed with image of Javanese life of 1,000 years ago. On day 3, transfer out, breakfast at hotel, check out and transfer out to airport.